Now we take next topic, electric potential due to charge spherical conductor. Electric potential due to charge spherical conductor. Suppose we have a conductor of radius r. When plus q charge is given to that conductor, that plus q charge is spread over the surface of that conductor in outer surface. Due to that spherical conductor, we have to find out in potential at point P. That means at distance r on the surface inside the conductor. In three cases, we find out what will be the potential. First case, when r is greater than r, that means outside the sphere. Outside the sphere, the potential at point P is given by previous formula. That means electric potential due to point charge at any point, and it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. It is the formula for outside the sphere. In second case, r equal to r, that means at surface of that sphere. At surface, it becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. That means the potential at point this will be increased because r is greater upon में है. So when distance decreases, the potential increase, it will be r. But in third case, when r is less than r, that means inside the sphere, what happened? Inside the sphere, intensity is 0. And we know that in previous topic, intensity is negative gradient of potential. That means it will be 0. Means dV equal to 0. When minus dV by dr equal to 0, then dV is 0. dV represents change in V. dV represents change in electric potential. Change in electric potential is 0. That means no change in potential. Means potential will be constant. Then what observation is come out here? Inside the sphere, potential is constant. And what constant value? That constant value is equal to the potential at surface. The graph variation of potential with distance is represent here B and R. Then inside, it is R less than R equal to R greater than R. This so straight line because potential is inversely proportional to single R, not R square. And here constant, and constant value is here. This means suppose we have a sphere and having potential 5 volt at the outer surface. Then what will be the potential at that point, at that center? That means answer will be 5 volt at the each and every point inside the conductor. Why? Because potential is constant inside the conductor. Okay, now this point is R greater than R. Now, next topic, just similar to electric intensity. Electric potential due to electric dipole on axial point. In previous chapter, we obtained electric intensity due to electric dipole on axial point. Similarly, in this chapter, we obtained electric potential due to the same heading, electric potential on axial point. Suppose we consider AB is a dipole having charge minus q and plus q, having distance 2L from its center. That means from point O, L and H. Now P is a point at distance R from the center of dipole, and our target is that at this point we find electric intensity. That means what will be the value of electric potential due to this dipole, and we know that potential is due to the charge. Means what will be the electric potential due to minus q charge as well as plus q charge. So at first, electric potential at point P due to minus q charge. Electric potential due to minus q charge. It will be equal to a VA 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. We know that the formula for electric potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r, single r, not r square. Then here the distance will be r plus L. Why r plus L? Because the distance of point P from A will be that r plus that L. Equation number 1. Similarly, electric potential at point P due to plus q charge, it will be Vp equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus L. Why r minus L? B is a point. Its distance from P is r minus that L. Okay. Here minus sign is to be taken because it is a minus q charge. Then minus sign is to be taken. Then total potential. Word, you know student, wording not a resultant potential, it can be written as total potential because potential is a scalar quantity and scalar quantity direct added. So the total potential will be V equal to VA plus VB. By putting the value of VA and VB from equation 1 and 2, the number 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and q are common. Then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q and remaining quantity, here remaining quantity minus 1 upon r plus L plus here 1 upon r minus L. Then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q. This will be apply formula r plus L and r minus L. Means r square minus L square. R plus L goes here, r minus L minus r plus L and here plus r minus L. Then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2L. It becomes positive. R to R cancel, then only remaining terms will be L plus L, 2L upon R square minus L square. But we know that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L is P. P is the electric dipole moment, R square minus L square. It is the formula for electric potential on axial point. Now we will find out electric potential due to electric dipole on equatorial point. Equatorial point. Similar to previous topic, we take electric dipole A and B, AB electric dipole having charge minus Q plus Q, separated by distance 2L, center point is O, that means distance will be L and L, and P is the equatorial point, present at perpendicular bisector, where we find out electric potential. The point P is separated at distance R from the center of dipole. The distance from minus Q charge will be root of R square plus L square, and distance of point P from plus Q charge again same, R square plus L square. Now we find electric potential at point A due to minus Q charge plus due to plus Q charge. Then electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge, it will be VA equal to, it has no direction, VA equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon simply R that means root of R square plus L square. Similarly, electric potential due to plus Q charge, it becomes VA. Here minus sign is to be taken due to that minus of charge. Now electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge, VB equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, it has again same distance, that means root of R square plus L square. Therefore total potential at equatorial point at point P will be VA plus VB, and we know that the value of VA and VB having equally same magnitude but minus here, then it will be 0, means on equatorial point of the dipole the potential will be 0. Okay, now next topic, due to another charge.